What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have the Lotus Eletre S in Cinnabar Red. Check it out guys, let's take a walk through and admire how beautiful this car looks. You have your daytime running lights right here. You also get some opening for the air to flow out here. Your main headlights are here. Check out the badging, black and silver. Beautiful design guys, beautiful design. You also get this opening for the air to go into to cool down the battery. You get some opening up here for the air to flow through and out of the front hood that we have right here. Check it out, beautiful. So turn indicators will also be located here once you switch them on. But yeah, gloss black finishing all over the place guys, from the left to the right. Finishing all over here as well. Now there's an option to go for carbon fiber, but that's in another car. Let's check out the sides. Before we go to the sides, let's go to the front. Up here, gloss black, red. Contra is amazing. Blends in really well with the side pillars, the side mirrors, the top parts right there, beautiful. The wheels, these are 22-inch 10-spoke silver wheels. You got your drill disc brakes, 6-spot caliper, badging in black as well. 275/40 R22, that's the tire size. Now we got to check out the rear tire size as well in a while more, but this is where your LiDAR is located, casing for it. Let's press one time again, check that out. Beautiful AC DC 22 kilowatt AC charging, maximum DC charging 350. Opening for here, opening for here for the air to go out, here, in, there, out. Camera located right here, camera, and also another camera right there. You have your side mirrors located here. You got your gloss black finish all over the side of the car. Now there's an option to go for this particular piece in carbon fiber, but that's an added option that you have to spec up. Let's open up the doors, check out the inside. CAF audio sound system. You have your gloss black finishing with your gold touches here and there. Suede finish right here. Grey stitching with leather, CAF audio sound system, manual door handles that we have to open up. Let's take a seat on the inside. Check it out, this is how comfortable I'm sitting in. This is the executive seats that come in. So it's massage seats for here, including the other one at the back and the other one at the back there. So amazing. We will check out the back shortly later. But in the meantime, check out the interior. Super comfortable. I'm sitting comfortably right here. Later on, head down to the back seats and take a look. But yeah, cup holder, gloss black finish right here. You got some buttons for you to control the glove compartment. Center screen, you have it also in your parking pack available, which is right here, the parking pack. So this one later on when you drive your car will be able to park by itself. Ambient lighting all over the place that we can get. Your mirrors that we have here, also very nice as well. Cool. Lighting, check out. Lights are all over the place, beautiful. Center of me sitting. Not really in the center, but yeah. Eletre wording at the side. Let's close the doors. You know what, just leave it like this for a while more. And let's move on to the rear. Now, check out how comfortable the car looks. Executive seats, beautiful design guys, beautiful design. Now it has a lot of space, legroom space. Door is located right there. Eletre wording down here, air vents over there, fabric over here, grey finishes over here, gold touches right here, black. You got your intelligent glass roof at the top, amazing. You got your center screen right here. You can press that to push it up. This particular screen, you tap on it, lifts up by itself. Aircon vents to be over there. Walk through if you wish to. But check out the massage seats. They look super stunning. Bucket seats kind of a feeling. You got some storage to be located right here. Push that down again. Storage down here. Close that back again. Amazing. Let's move to the boot space. You got your rear wing already deployed, but this is in the stage 1. You have it in another one which is like level 2. Carbon fiber finishing that we have right on the wing. So this is a spoiler, this is the wing. You got your red brake lights over here. opening for the, how to say this, rear wheel arch for air to flow through. Open up the rear boot, got amazing amount of boot space. This is the 4-seater, so the seats are unable to fold down, but the space is already good enough. You still can keep your golf bags here. Folding down the, lowering down the height, charging some stuff at the back here if you wish to. Got extra storage down here just to keep your shoes and whatnot. Tire repair kit is over there as well. You can remove this if you wish to keep a higher box. Let's close that back. Check it out. The Lotus wording in gloss black. So you also have it in chrome, you also get it in gloss black, it's totally up to you. These are the winglet designs, beautiful. Glass roof is right on top. Stunning space you get. Gloss black rear bumper throughout the whole place, guys, beautiful. Silver wheels, as I mentioned earlier, again, black calipers, drill disc brakes. Now check out the tire size on this car. It's basically 315, 35, 22. 315, 35, 22. That's the rear part of the wheel. So before that, let's take one look around. On this side, let's open up the doors for you guys to have a look. How beautiful and sporty this car looks. Looks really, really sporty, guys. Absolutely sporty. You got to be here to actually see this in person, because it does look absolutely stunning. Check out the door. You have a lot of these adjustments that we have for the master controller. Electronic buttons to open up the door, windows, child lock. Folding up the mirrors, adjusting of the mirrors. You got your speakers right here, speakers down here. Opening up of the door manually. You also get your opening up of the rear boot. These are your other adjustments for the seats, steering. Let's take a seat on the inside. You get your sport pedals located right down there, and steering wheel, beautiful design. You got your top dead center marker right here, flat bottom steering wheel. You got your drive mode on your right, regen on your left. These are your wipers. On top of that, these are your lights together with your turn indicators for your signal. And you also can adjust your steering wheel from that side. Screen, again, gear, put your card, charge your phone, fan blowing, push that down back in, push that back up again. Cool. So right now, I'm right here in the driver's seat. Now, I've not showed you the rear seat of that because it's the same towards the left, same towards the right. So, CAF audio sound system right here. Beautiful design, guys, beautiful design. Now let's check out the front part of the car with the doors open up. Can you see how aggressive this car looks? Looks really, really fierce. Super fierce, guys. Cinnabar red. Let's open up the front. Pull twice. Check it out. Super clean, super sleek, because it's the EV car, so everything is well kept underneath. So this is where your cable goes for you to charge. Some other storage compartment that you can store for a lot of other things. Shoes, maybe something dry. Windshield washer is over there. Pull it back down, close that. Beautiful, guys, check that out. Amazing. Super stunning car, guys. But before that, wait a minute. Didn't show you the turn indicators that we have. Yeah, there we go. So check it out. You got your turn indicators right here at the side mirrors. You got them right here. Beautiful. As you can see, you got them right here. Same again. Now, let's move to the rear. Check that out. I love how it like moves from one side to the other. Can you see that? Super sporty, guys. Damn sporty. Looks like a jet, man. Looks like it's about to take flight. It really looks like it's about to take flight. So that is it, guys, for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to find out more about Lotus cars, do head down to Glenmarie. It's where this car is located. Or maybe you can drop by to Pavilion Damansara Heights and meet up with the other sales team, which is over there, Ganesha. Over here, you can meet up with Sarjit and the other team. yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.